तुम्हारे साथ जाने के लिए तैयार है, आज शाम में चले जाओ विशाखापट्टनम।
सर यहीं से भेज दिए सर।
यहीं से ना, हम तो यही समझ ही रहे थे। बेटी कहाँ है? बेटी घर पर है ना?
बेटी इसके पास है।
हाँ हाँ, घर से लाना होगा ना, हम
मैं ले आऊंगा सर।
हैं?
मैं ले आऊंगा।
हाँ हाँ, तुम ही ले आना। टिकट करा लिए हो विशाखापट्टनम का? क्या फ्लाइट या ट्रेन?
ट्रेन सर।
आज शाम का है?
आज शाम का नहीं है सर, 11 तारीख को मिला सर।
11 आज। तो अभी घर कहाँ है तुम्हारा? यहाँ
दुकुलवा सर, जगनपुर थाने पर।
घर में कौन कौन रहते हैं?
मम्मी पापा।
तुम लोग कोई बदतमीजी नहीं करते हो ना इनके साथ?
नहीं सर।
ठीक है, अभी यहाँ से प्लीज डायरेक्ट योर ऑफिसर्स टू गो विथ हर and the father and the boy. They will take the child, and they should go to their Patna house, and on 11th they will go to Visakhapatnam.
Right sir.
And this fellow should not interfere. If he interferes, register a case against him, because he is the crook this marriage. He is not allowing this daughter to settle. Likhiye, heard the parties, this court, the girl Neha Kumari and her father have been produced by the police, by the ASP Danapur. In court, this court has interacted with the girl as well as the father. It seems that the father is not interested in restoration of the relationship of his daughter, of his matrimonial relation, of the matrimonial relationship of his daughter, and he is the impediment in the same. He filed a case of maintenance in Ara, though the girl and he and the father are staying in Patna, and there was no need of filing a maintenance case at Ara. A divorce case was filed at Patna by Deepak Kumar. Divorce case में अभी आगे नहीं बढ़ोगे, हम stay कर रहे हैं. And after interacting with him, this court feels that he is interested in taking back his wife and child to Visakhapatnam, and the girl petitioner Neha Kumari is also interested in going there. The petitioner and her child will accompany the husband Deepak Kumar today to the matrimonial home at Patna. If any assistance is required, the local police will provide all the assistance. If the father of the girl creates any trouble, appropriate legal steps be taken by the police against the father of the girl. During pendency of this case, दूसरा चीज, during pendency of this case, the operation of the order dated maintenance order.
Already stayed है.
Maintenance order. क्या करते हैं आप? मेरे साथ तो चलिए.
24 सितंबर 2022 का.
Passed by the Principal Judge, Family Court, Ara, in maintenance case number
197 of 2017.
197 of 2017 shall remain stayed. ठीक है? List this case list this case on first week of February में लगाइए.
First week February.
Second week में बुधवार को लगा दीजिएगा.